like I told you to?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Sports. So back with another video. What?
Did you put them in the gun?
Yes. Sorry about that, guys. But I'm back with another amazing video. And so today, yes, I'm talking about today when you're watching this video. Didn't mean to do that. See this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I can't do that. No, can't do anything, you know. But anyway, so basically, I wanted to show you guys how good I am at Subway Surfers. Because, like, I've never done it on this channel before, and I've thought about this, and if y'all don't like Subway Surfers or nothing, you don't have to play this game. You don't have to watch this video, but if you want to watch all my videos, then yes. We have great research. Shut up! Okay, guys, so basically, I've only done this enough to unlock both of these characters. But yeah, that's that. Where's my recording thing at? Oh, okay, guys, so let's do this. I want to show you how good I am at this. I just want to do this. I don't know why. It was just an idea of mine because I just got it. Well. Now we can jump super high. Yes. Those of you that do this on PC and stuff, I don't know if Subway Surfers is on PC. I mean, it would work because you could just use the arrow keys to move. That would be it, though. That would be like, it's the only way I know that would work. Skip these parts because I hate them. Guys, my top score is 61,888. If y'all don't believe that, I'll show y'all when I die, but I won't, so. I don't always use my keys. I do sometimes when I'm, like, going super far. And that stuff, y'all know the drill. I mean, y'all don't know the drill because I don't have it out. I'm not showing you the drill. But for guys, y'all know what I'm talking about. Ooh, mystery box. Guys, I already did the daily challenge already this morning, so way earlier. Non-stop. And those of you, I'll tell you that if you're confused on Subway Surfers, why is high score solo? You get tons of coins. It's not on your coins. It's on how far you get. I know. Pro Subway Surfers here. Douche. I don't know why I went that way. No. Crap. Couldn't have gotten that thing. Daily challenge. The word myth was today's, and I already did it, so. Rough. Guys, I didn't mean to do that, but guys, this does not teach you a lesson, but what? Guys, so y'all see that? That part, it was impossible. Like 49 more. Really, see, look, 61 underscore says 61,888. No. Y'all can see that I'm awesome at this game. But I'm only at the top of bronze, so if you're in bronze, you can try to beat that. If y'all want to. I mean, I don't mind, but you're probably not gonna. To be honest. To the coins. Yes. Imagine using a jetpack just to get away from one cop, guys. That'd be funny, stupid, and awesome. Everybody wants to fly a jetpack. Don't lie. I know you secretly want to. It's okay. I do too. I've told y'all, but I don't care. my personal interests, whatnot. Yeah, whatever. See, sometimes I don't get this game because there's a block everywhere. And so how are the trains supposed to get through unless they like crash eventually? Woo! Front flip. Wait, I said front flip. Front flip. Front flip. Front flip and front flip. No front flip. Yeah. Let's do this. Doosh, 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 doosh. Doosher, doosher. Oh no! Oh no! Yeet. See, I'm almost risking my life on this game. That's what I love to do. I don't know why. It's just fun. I mean, for real. Oh god. Sorry. What told you? Woo! Could have done that, but I'm not to. Guys, and if you wanted to know that these videos are uploaded, I mean, today, the day that I make them. If I want to, like, man, I wish this is the day they're uploaded. What? There's a super mystery. Of course, now I get these. Of course. Hey! Kyle. See, these are troublesome. No! See, that's what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about? Those are troublesome. Very troublesome. I got 2 hoverboards. Yay! Let's play this crap right here. Let's do this, shall we? And I want to do this to show you my board. Oh! It's not because I'm horrible at this game, because look at my score, 61,888. Which is ironic. I don't know how I got 888. Oh! Check out these sick tricks right here. Oh! Already did a front flip because I didn't want to, but... Hey! Dodge 20 barriers, really. First thing in the road, guys. Subway Surfers is fun, guys. I have a feeling that it's going to be on PC soon because you'll just be using the arrow keys 24/7. And you always use the arrow keys on everything. Just about every single game on PC, you use arrow keys. I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. Don't take it from me. How does that fat guy fit under these things? That's my question. If he's so fat, no offense, but if he's so fat, then how does he fit under those? One of those greatest mysteries. Guys, y'all would have done the exact same thing. So don't be hating on me. Let's fix your toes. I thought I got 2 mystery boxes. No! Bad. That's slay, but I want one of these. Bye-bye. Wait, these are score boosters? What? That's not fair. I wish I had that pogo stick though, don't y'all guys? Wish I had that pogo stick that'll be used. I wish I had a pogo stick like that. Already $81 and I don't know. Guys, did y'all know my friend Litha, she said that her brother sucks at this game. He got You know the score that you have? She said he got 2, which is a lie because I'll tell y'all when I die if that even happens. Do 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 do. This is dangerous. Do not take instructions from this guy how to escape the police because he has the worst ones. That's why he gets caught half the time. Get the coins! Get the coins! Oh, I didn't get the last one. Do 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 do. Whoo! Do do da da yeah yeah. I got the super mystery box, guys. First time in this game ever getting a super mystery box. This is gonna be awesome. I already know it. Ooh, yeah. There's probably super mystery boxes everywhere, but I never see them. See, I'm in my zone. It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 million on YouTube business loans. Never done before. Man, pass up all the competition. PewDiePie is next. Man, I'm popping on these checks with a brand new Rolex. And I'm in the limbo too. Man, I'm coming with the crew. This is 10 3. Who the H are flipping you? Yo, yo. I'm the best sacrificer in this game. Or sacrifier. Douche. Give me a break. No, don't give me a break. Actually, I love it. I love my life. I love what I'm doing. Do not. Guys, in like a million, in 10 years, I might take a break. No! What? I didn't do that, guys. I promised you. No! I didn't. Shut up. Super mystery box, guys. 1 key from a super mystery box? Yeah. Yeah. You're mean. Sorry guys, but that's all the time we have for this video. But if you liked it, punch the like button in the face like a flippin' boss Tronio. And don't forget to subscribe. Never, but don't kill it. Don't destroy the subscribe button. It's nice to you. You be nice to him. Yeah, that's right. The subscribe button is a boy. Quit living in a fantasy if you think that the subscribe button is a girl. But I will see all of you awesome people in the next hashtag vid. See you later, bruh.